welcome to Wallace Sawmill. This is Pat again, and right now I'm standing out in the sawmill shed, we call it. It's where we keep our Wood-Mizer bandsaw. And today we're sawing some logs for a friend of ours, a friend of the mill here. It's a tree guy that we get logs from. His name's Nate Mode from Mode Tree Service, and they have a property there where they're wanting to put some fences up, and he brought us some logs from Urban Tree Removals to saw into fence rail and fence posts. They're white oak. It'll be really good for that because it's got a lot of good rot resistance. The posts will last a long time in the ground, and the fence rails will be good and strong for keeping the animals in. The posts are going to be 4x4 by 8 foot, and the fence rails are 7/8 by 5.5. So yeah, the next few minutes here, or seconds or whatever, are going to be showing kind of the process of how we cut logs on the Wood-Mizer. And we'll probably go into, we definitely will go into more detail about the Wood-Mizer in a different video, and show you what this machine's all about. So I'm standing here next to the lumber we got out of the logs that we cut for this job for the fence rails. I think we had about a dozen logs that were probably varying from maybe 16 inches in diameter up to maybe about 20, 22. We got 70 full 4x4 posts and about 270 boards. So that'll make, I don't know how many lineal feet of fence. It's going to be a post and then 4 fence rails in between each post. But yeah, went really well. It's a lot of nice lumber. White oak is just a really nice nice wood to cut, and it's really useful, and Mode should be here to pick this up pretty soon. We'll get on to the next one. Hanging off pretty good on this side.
This side's tight, that side's a little long.
Fire it up.
Alright, well there we go. That's another order on its way. That's the more Urban Trees off to live another good life as fence material. So feeling good about that. If you guys like it, your logs could be next. Hit us up at Wallace Sawmill.